Hi, it's Les Per Year and doing another Easy Strum song. And so this is, I can't think of the guy's name, Roger somebody. That sang this song. It's called King of the Road. And this was back in the late 60s. But can't think of the guy's name, but it's a good song. But I'm going to do it in the key of D with my fret on the 1, 2, 3. The third looks like the 3rd fret. Okay. Trailer for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes, but 2 hours of pushing broom buys a 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means by no means, king of the road. 3rd boxcar, midnight train, destination Bangor, Maine. Old worn out suit and shoes, I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies I have found, short but not too big around. I'm a man of means by no means, king of the road. I know every engineer on every train, all of the children, all of the names, and every handout in every town, and every lock that ain't locked when no one's around. I sing trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes, but 2 hours of pushing broom buys a 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means by no means, king of the road. Wish I could think of that guy's last name. Roger. If you guys know his last name, put it in the comments. So sorry I forget the name. Anyway, it's a great song, King of the Road. Hope you enjoy it.